Queens, my beautiful and gorgeous queen. Thank you for coming. Let me go back so that you guys can listen me very well. Thank you for tuning in again. It's still your Bianca Beleza Girls TV, your baby girl, your loyal girl. There is somebody, I don't think she even deserves the apology, but I want to say sorry to her because after that I felt it like, okay, well, the way that I reply her, it was not of my way, which what she did to me was not nice. The video that I did of an concerning that sister Eliza, her reply was not on concerning the video. She was just there to fight me because of Lolo, which I hate that thing she did. I hate it. I didn't mention Lolo on that video. In fact, I was even giving her credit to Lolo. For she to come and insult me early in the morning. I think it was 1 a.m. midnight or so. It was not nice. But I don't have, like, for me to just pour that angriness so that I won't keep it inside of me. I make sure that I deal with her in a language she will understand. Next time she won't do it again. In case you come across this video, which you said you are going to unsubscribe, she said it immediately. I was like, before you unsubscribe, don't tell me unsubscribe. After that, she come back and insult me again. You are unsubscribed, you are still insulting me on top of what you don't even know anything of. You just create the drama yourself. Did I tell you that I and Lolo have problem? We don't have any problem. We don't have problem. If whatever she's live stream, I'm not busy, I have things to do. If I don't have things to do, I will go. If I have things to do, I will do my things. But not like before. Sometimes time to eat, that is when I will just try to be there. But these days I've been hurt. I'm just trying to heal heart of all these things, which you don't know how I feel. Lolo know how I feel. So if I should stay on my own now, I believe she's happy. She's okay with it. Okay, so guys, thank you for coming. It's still your Bianca Beleza Girls TV. You need to see the insult this woman. Oh my God, it was not nice. As a married woman, as a mother of kids, even if you are not married, once a woman visits a labor room, I don't care how she gets birth, even if it's through cesarean session or through normal way of delivery, I don't care. A woman deserves respect. Even if you are a woman like me, I deserve respect. For crying out loud, you are a queen in your house. Don't boss over me. Don't come and lick us midnight. I think it was 1 or 2 o'clock. Are you okay? And you think I can take it like that? Don't try that. I won't take it from anybody that has been long. I'll be keeping, like, being silent. They will insult me. Okay, I will go inside and be crying. Gone on those days. You insult me, I will reply you. If I'm on live stream, you insult me, I will reply you. Gonna just tell you I will come and be crying. I will use it to cash phone. You never see. I'll use it to cash phone. I'll use it to talk for 30 minutes of video. Next time you don't try again. Even if it's, I don't care what account you are using. Now, person data, not be person data. Person way data, then I go carry the cost. Abi. So guys, thank you for coming. All I have to do about the gist is just people saying, my husband buy me this, my husband buy me that, my husband do this, my husband do that. Ladies, it's a lie. Something are lies. Like me, I don't say what my husband buy. Many years ago, I said it to a lady, a woman, in fact, she's married and she have kids. Yeah. And she was like, it's a husband that is buying her everything, including her pad, including her nails to paint her fingernails. I was like, really? Your husband will buy you all that? My own is not like that. Many things, I can say my husband give me money, but some out of other way of getting money. Okay, I don't use it to take care of myself, to buy things for myself. You understand? Out of the saving, when going for shopping and all that, you can save as a woman to take care of yourself, to buy things you love. But the way social media, some people, they are making it to feel as if their husband, other people's husband is useless, is not man enough. It's a lie. It's a lie. You need to tell them the truth. If your husband buy you that gift, just tell them, it's my husband that buy me this gift. If it's you that buy the gift yourself, tell the audience, this gift, I bought it myself. Stop making other people feel as if their husband is not mad enough, their husband is not doing more than, is not doing like other people's husband. Queens, another part, try to appreciate your man. A woman who appreciates a man deserves more. When you appreciate your husband is going to do more. Yeah, when you appreciate. The only time that I feel like sometimes I don't appreciate my husband the more a little time is on Saturday. Please, on Saturday is for me, Oga. Or Saturday, not going to work. No, please, if we can, but sometimes I don't have choice. When it comes to work, I don't have choice because that is where we gain our money. We get our money to take care of the family, the kids, our responsibility, everything. Kids, they are responsibility. Yeah, I shock you. Yeah, they are responsibility, big responsibility. So out of this work, that is where we get the money to take care of them and do other things, even for myself. So sometimes I'm like, okay, if you can shift it, if it's something urgent, just go. But if it's not urgent, in itself, know that Saturday is for the wife. Sunday is the normal day that every mom, they need to stay with the family. But when it comes to Saturday, there are a lot of people that are working. If you can do it, like I made it, and there is a way we can sort it out, it's better my husband stay with me on Saturday. I love seeing my husband close to me. I love seeing my husband, even if I'm not, like, we are not going to sit or lie down throughout the day inside the bed. No, I love to the perfume of my husband around me, because whenever it is there, I feel safe. I feel that love 100% is there, even if it's not at home or whatever. It's not that I'm not feeling it, but there is that feeling. You guys, I don't know, I can't explain it. You guess I can't explain it. My one of my neighbor friend, she said to me, it's because you guys are just, the marriage is still fresh. That is why you guys are like, don't worry, after second year, you see. Now we are going to 60 years of marriage. 6 years of marriage. And I knew my husband for the past how many years now? How long? I did my marriage anniversary last time. Okay, so that is just it. Why am I saying this? Why am I saying this? It's just for you to know that I just love his presence. I love his presence around me. And I appreciate that Saturday, if he can give it to me, I really love it. Like, we do things together, and that is just it. I love, and in himself, it decide to give me Saturday, because Saturday before he do work, when he met me, he just need to hammer a lot of things so that he can be able to make things to work, and at the same time have time, which is that Saturday for me. We can go out for shopping. Saturday is when you normally do shopping as a family. We do shopping together sometimes, but now because of this COVID-19, me, I'm afraid of going out. Sometimes I'm just going out just to go and pick. When doing big shopping, I'm like, oh, I can't. Sometimes we'll go together, sometimes I will go. If it's maybe something I need to just like pick, or sometimes it can be me. But I prefer we go together, we'll go for a walk. But because of this lockdown, there's no going out like that, I love my husband with me. Like Saturday, please give it to me, which is Sunday is the normal day that the man needs to stay at home, go to church and all that. But Saturday, you need to give it to me, please. Like, you need to give it to your wife. You understand? So that is it. So back to the gist. We need to appreciate our husband because they are amazing. Any man on top of you, even if he's your fiancé, it's your boyfriend, as far as you love that man, respect and appreciate that man, so that tomorrow we do more. Don't look to somebody's husband and say, oh, I wish my husband can be like this. Never you do that. Never you do that. There can be a role model, like your royal model, like this person is my role model, a royal model, which I call. And they say, if that person is a role model to you, fine, you can like, oh, my marriage can just be like this, I know that, but not like, admire things is nice, but not like after then you start using it on your husband or your partner. Many women can testify to this. Like, you see the way this person is living, you're like, oh, I wish my marriage can be like this. Don't ever think or wish for anybody relationship according to experience of everything around the social media. Don't even look to my relationship and say, I wish I can have like Bianca husband or like Bianca relationship or like Bianca family. No, don't do that. Pray for God. If you admire my family, tell God, I admire Bianca family. I pray for house filled with love and understanding, just like the one of Bianca. And God will give it to you without that mind of, oh my God. No, when you admire oh, beautiful. There is a way you admire, and there is a way you take it to your heart or to your mind, and you start, oh, my man is not like this, my boyfriend is not like this, my fiancé is not like this. No, you don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. You just need to like leave it aside. When you admire, you're like, beautiful. I love that. Oh my God, that is so sweet. I love it. There are many Interracial family. Whenever I'm watching them, I love them. Which is, I've said it, guys. My role model is Patricia the Bride. Even if tomorrow I don't wish her to fail, she's real. I love her for crying out loud. She's just too real. I love Patricia the Bride. Everybody may not love her. I love people like a little bit crazy. I love people like that. Patricia the Bride. I've said it, but I didn't make sure then I was like Patricia, but I don't know how people will feel. Yeah, she's one of my role models. Patricia the Bride. She's amazing. She's a great woman. So that is it. Learn how to appreciate your man. Learn how to love your man. Don't look to what people are showing you. Think, oh, your husband is not mad enough. Your man is not doing. No, appreciate him. All fingers are not equal. All men are not the same. If you can talk to your husband, tell him, oh, husband, please, every month, even if it's 100 euro or 150, by giving to me so that I can be taking care of myself, like buying the things I love, buying the things like concerning anything that I wish to buy. No, I'm just using 100 euro. It can be 200, it can be 300. Your husband is giving you. Appreciate it. There are some people, the husband don't even give them anything. So if you have that kind of man, a fiancé, a boyfriend that is giving you that kind of money, appreciate him. Don't look to other people. Admire that people's relationship. Admire that people's lifestyle. But don't take it like to compare to your household. Don't compare anybody's relationship to yours. Just love yourself. Appreciate your relationship. Pray for it. Work on it. If you guys know the way I work on my relationship or my household, you don't even know. Even sometimes there's a lot of things that I keep aside just to make my marriage to work. Because when it comes to interracial family, it's not easy, my people. It's not easy. It's not that we are fighting or we are quarreling. No. They are delicate people. You need to treat them delicate. I use that word. You know what the word means, delicate? It's something so solid, so delicate. Una cosa delicato. Un amore davanti all'odio, un amore pieno di amore, un amore pieno di tante cose che bisogna tanto cervello, non culo, per fare andare matrimonio di mista. Hai capito? Quindi sto dicendo che dobbiamo adorare il nostro marito, aiutare loro in modo che possiamo. E tu, la donna, con pochi che guadagni, riesci a mantenerti, mettiti in linea. Senza essere, sai quello che sto cercando di dire. So that is it. Just appreciate yourself, love your man. Love your man, appreciate your man. The lady that is given to you, appreciate. So I don't want this video to be longer than this. I will end this video. You can join me on my live stream tomorrow, which is Thursday. I will do makeup if I'm permitted, because my husband is home. Is at home. So if my husband permits me, I have the time, which I'm not going to stress them like, I'm going to do the video. So guys, shout out to Vicky Mega Organic Skincare. You can contact Vicky Mega by +39 37 14 74 4598. Vicky Mega Organic Skincare is the best. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your man. I appreciate your boyfriend. Any man on top of you, appreciate that man. Don't look to other people relationship. Admire them and downgrade your man. Don't do that. Respect your man. Appreciate your man. And at the same time, tomorrow or next time, we'll be bringing the side of men. Respect and also appreciate and love your woman. And I will tell you some tips. If you want your wife to love you like me, you will think, maybe I wish I wish my husband is Africa. I think they will be thinking, if they say that man is juju on top of this young, fine girl, faithful to his husband. That is what you'll be thinking. Hey guys, let me go and see baby Selena is safe.